Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Bitwarden autofill on Chrome. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Bitwarden autofill on Chrome, start by opening your Chrome browser. Navigate to the upper right corner and click on the three vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Extensions in the left sidebar. Look for the Bitwarden extension in the list of installed extensions. If you don't see it, you may need to install it from the Chrome Web Store. Once you locate the Bitwarden extension, click on the toggle switch to enable it. Next, go back to the main settings page. Scroll down and click on Autofill in the left sidebar. Make sure the Passwords option is enabled. Now, click on Manage Passwords. In this section, look for the option to Offer to Save Passwords. Make sure this toggle is also turned on. Return to the Bitwarden extension by clicking on its icon in the toolbar. Log in with your Bitwarden credentials if you haven't done so yet. Once logged in, click on the Bitwarden icon again. Select Settings from the drop-down menu of the extension. In the settings, ensure that the option for Enable Autofill is checked. Close the settings window. Now, go to a website where you have saved credentials in Bitwarden. When you click on the login fields, the Bitwarden extension will pop up. Select your login information from the drop-down menu. The credentials will automatically fill into the login fields. You have successfully enabled Bitwarden autofill on Chrome. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.